Alrighty, we are going to explain the situation here. Ashley has 19 blueberries. So because she has 19 blueberries, we are going to color in this many. Whoop. Redo. All right, we're going to try that again. Because Ashley has 19 blueberries, we're going to squiggle this in. Right now we have what is called a 10 block. A 10 block means that you have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have 10 going across, and let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is a 10 block. Any block can be called whatever amount of numbers it has on both sides. So if we have 10 at the bottom, like we counted, and 10 from the top, 10 times 10 equals 100. So we have 100 all together. So we are going to call it a 10 block. All right, back to the scenario. Ashley, she had 19 blueberries. So we're going to color 10 of them here. Don't mind my not very cute line. So we got 10 there, and if we have a 10 block, we're gonna color, 9 more. So we're gonna come down and boop, we're gonna stop right before the 10 block because we got 9. So we have 19. So Ashley has 19. Let's use a different color here if possible. Alrighty. So Mr. Mike had 13. Let's color in 13. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, and 13. Alrighty, so now we're going to make this an addition and a subtraction problem. Let's start back with Miss Ashley. She has 19 as we colored here. She ate 10 of them. So we are actually going to erase 10 of these suckers. Boom. There we go. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 left because she ate them. And we can visualize this because we erased the 10 she ate and have 9 left. So, she has 9 blueberries because she was a little piggy and ate them. All right, Mike has 13 blueberries. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them. And he picked 7 more. What a good guy. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So he has 7 more, and he already has 13. That means altogether, because of all this shaded, he has 20 blueberries. So we're going to shade all this in. Not very good, sorry. Need to learn how to do that better. But he has 20 blueberries now. And that is the scenario we were given, and that is how I explain it.